Therese of Lisieux, OCD, was born Marie Francois. Therese Martin, also known as Saint Therese of the Child Jesus and the Holy Face, was a French Catholic discalced Carmelite nun who is widely venerated in modern times. She was born on January 2, 1873 and died on September 30, 1897. Her sense of commitment led her to a profound experience of the love of God and of neighbor. She never had an easy life. She had a simple yet powerful message that still resonates in the hearts of millions today. She died at the age of 24, believing that her life was really just beginning for God, promising to spend her heaven doing good on earth. Her promised shower of roses began and has become a torrent in the church ever since. Saint Therese of the Child Jesus, we thank God for you. Thank you for coming over here in Bacolod City, and thank you for all your powerful intercessions. Please pray for us and the whole world.